weather conditions, and other relevant data, creating a comprehensive picture of road health. This predictive capability allows for preventative maintenance, further extending the lifespan of the roads and reducing the need for emergency repairs. Thanks to AI, road maintenance is becoming more proactive and efficient, addressing issues before they become major problems. This means safer roads and fewer traffic disruptions caused by repairs, leading to a smoother driving experience for everyone.
Section 4. Self-healing roads around the world. Self-healing roads are not just a futuristic concept, they are being implemented in various parts of the world. The Netherlands, known for its innovative approach to infrastructure, has already piloted self-healing roads using the capsule-based technology. China is also investing heavily in self-healing road technology. They are using it to improve the durability of their vast highway network. In the United States, researchers are experimenting with different self-healing materials to create roads that can withstand harsh weather conditions. These real-world applications demonstrate the viability and growing popularity of self-healing roads. As the technology matures and becomes more cost-effective, we can expect to see its wider adoption globally.
Section 5. The future of roads, smoother rides ahead. The future of roads is exciting. Imagine a world where our daily commutes are not only faster, but also safer and more efficient. With the continued advancement of AI and self-healing materials, we can look forward to even smarter and more resilient roads. These innovations will drastically reduce maintenance costs and improve road safety. Imagine roads that can charge electric vehicles wirelessly, eliminating the need for charging stations and making long-distance travel more convenient. Or roads that can adapt to extreme weather conditions, ensuring safe travel regardless of the climate. Researchers are also exploring the use of self-healing concrete for bridges and buildings. This technology could extend the lifespan of our infrastructure significantly. This could revolutionize the construction industry, making our structures safer and more sustainable. Imagine buildings that can repair themselves after minor damages. The possibilities are truly endless. From smart roads to self-healing buildings, the future holds incredible potential. Self-healing roads are a testament to human ingenuity and our quest for a better future. These advancements showcase our ability to innovate and improve our world. As we embrace these and other cutting-edge technologies, we pave the way for safer, more efficient, and sustainable transportation systems for generations to come. The journey towards a smarter future starts now.